Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video, we're going to have a look at how we can enter, work with, and convert fractions on the Desmos online graphing calculator. So we'll get started by clicking on the Open Graphing Calculator button here, and that takes us to the calculator graph. Now let's say we want to enter a basic fraction like 1 over 2. Well, to do that, all we have to do is go down to our keyboard and then hit the 1 and then use the division key as our fraction, and then 2. Then if we move our key out, we get 1 over 2 is equal to 0.5. We can also type this on our keyboard. We can just go, if I type 1 forward slash, which is on the same key as the question mark, 2, we get the same thing. What if we want to enter these as part of an equation? Let's say we want to do 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. Well, we can do that the same way, but it's always important when working with fractions as part of a larger equation to enter them in brackets. So we'll go bracket 1 over 2, move our cursor outside and close our bracket, and then plus new bracket 1 over 4, close our bracket, and we see we get the result of 0.75. What if we wanted this result as a fraction? To do that, all we have to do is hit this button over here, the fraction button. We hit that once, we see it converts from a decimal to the fraction of 3 over 4. And we can go back again by hitting it one more time. So this works great when working with regular or improper fractions, but what about working with mixed fractions? Well, again, let's bring up our keyboard and then enter a new line. And now let's say we want to enter a mixed fraction like 1 and 1/4 plus 1/2. On Desmos, unfortunately, there's no straightforward way to enter a mixed fraction. We have to actually enter them a little bit backwards. So we start by entering the fraction part. So 1 over 2. And then we go back to the front to enter our whole number. So there's that 1. And let's follow proper procedure and put our brackets in there as well. So we have 1 and 1/2, and then we'll go plus bracket 1/4 or 1 over 4, close our bracket, and see we get the result of 1.75, or if we convert it to a fraction, 7 over 4. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.